So I think we'll go back to the beginnings and early memories of the West Side of football on the West Side. I was fishing good on the Hershey, you will ask Donald Morrison too. His own memories, how big football was when you started school?
In school?
Yeah,
Well, we didn't know what football was until I started school at 5. And we were playing with wee rubber balls like that. No football. Not a football. No grass pitches. Just gravel. And the result was scratched knees and kicks.
Still bearing the scars.
But we knew we wanted a football, but there was no football in school. So, but there was a netball in the gym for the girls to play netball once a week or something. So we stole it. And we were playing it for a few days. But one Callum Shearer, he whacked the ball and it went straight through the headmaster's bedroom window. Well, that was the end of that. That was the end of that.
No more football.
No more football, plus...
Do the strap, you get a bet.
Oh, yeah. We all built it. But the schoolmaster was sweating by the time he finished belting us all. So that was one of my first memories. But then I started going up to watch the West Side, probably 1958. And I was reading what Corags sent me, the photos. And there's a team there in 1958, and I knew all of them. There's quite a few from Bracken and Shoulders.
Can you name any of them?
Oh yeah, I can name them all.
Shoot, Ma.
Calvin and from Shoulders. He was the king. He was the man. He was a brilliant footballer.
What position did he play in?
Centre forward, what else?
He never moved in the same place all the time. He was stood in front of the goals, and the other guys were feeding him.
Yeah. Oh, he wouldn't run.
Yeah.
Oh, he wouldn't run. No. Give me the ball.
He was good once he got the ball, but he never moved. He didn't do anything.
Yeah. Oh, he was a great player.
He was good at scoring.
And he was... yeah. Who cares about you sticking it in? Who cares? Just sticking it in. But he was excellent at free kicks, direct free kicks.
Yeah.
And I remember one game against Back, I think it was. Back had a big goalie then, Furey, he was called. Do you remember that? And Westside got a free kick right outside the box. Well, Cummins and I noticed that Furey was off his line. Oh, it was a beautiful thing to watch. We were just behind the goal. He just dropped it in behind him. It was a thing of beauty. And the guy felt so foolish, you know. He was off his line, and he was big. Just dropped it in. He had a sweet left foot, Cummins and I.
Yes, he was really good.
And Dunk from Braga, and he was a stalwart in the team. He was always in the team. And Jon, he was always in the team. And Ian McPhail is here. He was, but is he here tonight? Oh, he was back and forth from sea, and I remember him playing. And Bulmutter and Hug sang. You know Tom MacLean's granddaughter. And they could. He played anywhere. As long as he played football. He played in goals, played right half, played anywhere. And there was 3 brothers from Balndruja who played for their side at the time together. And another 3 brothers from Melbourne, and they all played for the West Side, running at the same time.
Coverson.
Ballicky and Vic.
Derek Smith's father, one of them.
No, I'm talking about 3 brothers. Derek's uncles. Derek's uncles on Balndruja. And from Melbourne, Ballicky and Saja. Don Louis, he still comes to the matches. Mm-hmm. Well, he played, and Louis, his brother, played, and Callan, his brother, played. So that's three brothers from the two villages.
So that's why Don Louis is such a good dancer. That's the guy I'm thinking of. He's a brilliant dancer with on his football feet.
And that team, they had guys who were playing for the school. The school had a team in the league then, the Nicholson. But they tried to play all their games before the schools broke up, or before they went to university, something like that. So there's Calmalic from Barvis, Calmalic McKeever, and there was Sammy's brother, Callan, yeah. And a guy from Shawbus was that was his name. And he died quite young. And he was an excellent player. These three guys played for the school and for the Westside in the Atlantic Cup probably, because the school didn't partake in the Atlantic Cup. And Colin Megan's two uncles also. Is Colin Megan here?
No, it's not. It's got the gospel.
Colin Megan's two uncles, Don Lallan, who emigrated to New Zealand, and Mother Dan, who used to drive the tankers. Yeah, his two uncles. Who else do I remember? There's a lot of guys here, back and forth from sea. And sometimes, oh yeah, another big guy played, Kalangoli, from Shawbust. He was some guy. Took no prisoners, Kalang.
His brother-in-law,
John Murdo, yeah. The sliding tackle specialist. Yeah. He really chewed up Barris Maha. You think there had been a plough in there after he finished? The sliding tackles were 10 feet long, 2-footed.
Colleen from Ryan, you remember him?
Yeah. And he was back and forth. I think he played centre half. Yeah.
He was a wheel all the time.
Yes, yeah. I remember him playing. Yeah. There was lots of guys back and forth. And Mac and Kate down the road, he was goalkeeper.
Yes,
And Colin Dan from Shawbust. I don't know exactly who he was.
Come down McKeever.
Colin Dan, yeah. He was a goalie, yeah. And there was another goalie, but he played, as far as goalie, he played some other position. Nish.
Yeah, sure, yeah, he'd play anyway.
Yeah. He played a lot of goals. Yeah. That's the guy you should be asking the question. He doesn't know.
He's coming to the panel here.
I'm glad you're here to help me out.
I'm trying to think of these people.
But, I mean, feel free, anyone, to add on to any of the information. It's good to hear.
After the war, there was three brothers. Polly Queen's Mary. Not saying in, but Queen's Mary. Yeah. He was up at Doon.
Oh, yeah.
Carmel.
Yeah.
And they were all good players.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
My next door neighbour, he was telling me he was weaving and he had a nursing tweed. So he got up at 6 o'clock in the morning, or before 6 o'clock he was up, and he finished the tweed. Then he walked all the way along the shore down to Barvis and played for the Westside and then walked back home again to Bragg.
Devotion.
No, I remember the cup final that the Westside won in Stornoway. They won the Stornoway Cup twice running.
58 and 59. 58 and 59.
I don't know which one was this, but I think they beat United 1-0. And Angan, Dunk's brother, who scored the only goal. I don't think he meant to score it. He just let fly somewhere around the halfway line, sailed into the back of the net. That was the winner. And like a lot of other people, he was living on it for years. That's the only goal he ever scored, I think. And these were the stalwarts. There was a group that were playing all the time, and there was another crowd that kept going away to work and going away to sea mostly, and you could tell them right away with their shorts and their brown legs. The people who were here had white legs.
So initially you failed with your netball playing football.
Pardon?
You failed with the netball playing football. Of course, after breaking the window in the school. When did you play after that?
Well, we had a football pitch down in, on the other side of the river, Burgeon we called it. It's a big pipe going across the nose. But the river was right back beside it, which had its own problems. When the ball went into the river, you know, somebody had to go round and start chugging it over with capes, you know. So I stole my father's fishing rod, a bamboo rod, and put a loop round at the end of it, so I wouldn't have to go across the river to. My father didn't know. I don't think he knew to this time to know where the fishing rod went. But that was the problem there. And then we had inter-village competitions. Both Barbara's, Truth, Donny would have been. Sammy was in. Sammy was in. Yeah. And played both. And the pitch was great, except for the river. Yeah.
Still got that problem.